BlueCruise is awesome, but it's much more awesome when it's free. Watch the road. Okay. Anyways, that's what I'm saying. It's much more awesome when it's free. I was looking on Reddit. I saw on Facebook and some other forums, people were posting things about you can actually get a free bonus year of BlueCruise from Ford. Now, I don't know if it's just something that they're offering. I didn't see any announcements from Ford about it, but I saw some people talking about it. So I'm like, I need to test this out. So we're going to pull over here in a second and I'm going to test this out. I'm going to show you how you can actually sign up for free. Now, let me give you a little qualifiers here. So it's actually just for the 2022 and 2023 models of Ford. I think it's the Mach E and the F-150 Lightning. So if you have a 24, I'm sorry, but I have a 2023. And what's special about the 2023s and 22s is you actually got 3 free years. So my 3 free years are going to be done in December of 2025. So I still got a little bit of time here. But when I saw that, I'm like, I need to test this out. So that would give me a bonus year until 2026. So you may be asking, well, what's the big deal with that? Well, actually, they charge about $49 a month, or you can pay $500 a year. So I was not looking forward to signing up for that. So when I saw this, I'm like, you know what? I need to check this out. So I want y'all to check it out with me. I'm going to pull over here and we're just going to see if this actually works. I'm going to show you how to do it based on what some other stuff that I saw on what you need to click on. It's kind of a weird way. It's not as intuitive. It's not like get your bonus year here for free. Woohoo! It does look like that in like the second screen, but it's not as intuitive on the first screen once you actually get in there. So we're gonna pull over now and I'm gonna show that to you, and we'll get back on the road after that and we'll test it out. Woo. BlueCruise in a Ford Lightning is awesome. And today I'm going to show you a little tip and trick how you can actually get BlueCruise subscription for free. So pay attention. This is awesome. Well, starting with, you actually have to have a 2022 or 2023, and you get it for free for 3 years. If you buy a new one, a 2024, you only get it for free for like 90 days or something like that. But I was looking on my app today, and they gave me, if you see here, they gave me this little BlueCruise hands-free 90-day trial active thing. So actually, they're trying to get people to do a 90-day trial for free. They try to charge you $4.99 a month. But if you click on the bottom down here, right under select payment, there's or save with annual plan. So you click on that, and then if you'll see right here, it gives you the option of a $0 a year plan. And this is basically a way to extend it. So right now I have 3 free years. I bought my truck as a 2023. I bought it in December of 2022. And so I went ahead and redeemed that, and basically $0 a year. And I started the payment, and now it's going to go all the way through 2026. So I got an extra year of like free BlueCruise. So I think that's pretty sweet. So there's a little tip and trick for you on how you can actually extend, and there it is right there. Thank you for your purchase. And I think that's pretty awesome. So there it is right there. Thank you for your purchase. That's pretty cool. But I love BlueCruise. In case you weren't aware, BlueCruise is Ford's not full driving on its own or anything like Tesla has, but it's actually, it'll keep you behind the right car. It'll basically it's hands-free driving, and that's pretty sweet. Now let me see here if actually they'll allow me to go do anything else for free. It looks like I can do a connected built-in navigation here. Let's see if they'll allow me to extend that one for free. No, they're trying to charge $80 a year to extend that. So I'm not worried about that. I got CarPlay. But that Ford, they're going to be charging you $49 a month if you wanted to do this on your own. And it's kind of up in the air whether or not it's worth it for that. I love it. I probably would have paid that. But the fact that I can extend it for an extra year, mine wasn't going to expire until December. So what I encourage you, if you have a 2023, go on your app and click the connected services and look and see if you have that option. I looked a week ago when I first heard about this, but then it didn't work. It didn't give me the option, or at least I didn't think so, because I didn't click on that the annual plan thing down there. I got the idea off of a Facebook post. I just wanted to try it out. I'm just like, oh my gosh, wait a second. Will that work for me? Like nothing, like $0 for an extra year. I've already had it for free for 3 years. Well, not full 3 years yet. A little bit over 2 years. I've had it for free. I think that's pretty cool. So I got an extra free year. So that saves me an extra $500, about $500 for an extra year. And so that's going to be pretty cool. Thank you, Ford, for making that as an option. Hopefully it wasn't a glitch, but just in case it is a glitch, those of you that have a 2022 and 2023, you have 3 years. Originally that was the deal. If you have BlueCruise, you have 3 years of free BlueCruise. Then you have to pay for it. It's either $49 a month or the $500 annual fee. But I got an extra year for free, so that's pretty sweet. And anyways, thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to give you a little tip and trick here on how you can actually get free BlueCruise. So now I'm going to get back on the road and try this out. Isn't this awesome? BlueCruise, hands-free, right there. Woohoo! Still working great. Still working great. So it worked. So I have an extra year until December 9th, I think is what it was. Or until December 2026. So this is awesome. So put it in the comments if you want to try that out yourself. I'm sorry again if you have a 2024 or 25, it's not going to work for you, but put it in the comments. Let me know if it works for you, and then I will see you on the next video.